Welcome again, and today we will be answering activity 3-6, that is finding the derivative of the following functions. So take note that we will use the definition of the derivative here, which is what we call the delta process. Okay, so first is number 1, f of x equals square root of x minus 5. So since we are using the definition, okay, so we will first write the definition of the derivative. So that is f prime of x is equivalent to the limit as delta x approaches 0 of f of x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x. Okay, so from here we're going to replace each variable or function with its actual name. In this case, f of x equals square root of x minus 5. So here you have limit as delta x approaches 0 of f of x plus delta x is square root of x plus delta x minus 5 minus f of x, which is square root of x minus 5 all over delta x. Okay, so again, just like in the example, our goal here is to be able to cancel out delta x from here. Pero remember that the delta x is still inside the square root, so we have to find a way to remove that square roots in the numerator. So to do that, we will use the conjugate property. So that is multiplying the numerator with square root of x plus delta x minus 5 plus square root of x minus 5. So remember, multiplying two conjugates will result to a difference of 2 squares. So more onto that later. So since we do not want to change the expression, so whatever that is expression that is multiplied in the numerator will also be multiplied in the denominator. So you have here square root of x plus delta x minus 5 plus square root of x minus 5. Okay, so let's simplify. So limit as delta x approaches 0 of, so in the numerator, since these are conjugates, so the result is just the difference of 2 squares. So the square of a square root is just the expression without the square root. So you have here x plus delta x minus 5, that is without the square root, minus the expression x minus 5. Okay, whereas at the bottom or in the denominator, you have delta x times the expression square root of x plus delta x minus 5 plus square root of x minus 5. So best leave it in factored form. Next is we distribute the minus sign here. So you have limit as delta x approaches 0 of x plus delta x minus 5 minus x plus 5 all over delta x. Let's copy. Square root of x plus delta x minus 5 plus square root of x minus 5. Okay, so cancel x minus x and negative 5 and positive 5. So you are now left here with limit as delta x approaches 0 of delta x all over delta x times the expression square root of x plus delta x minus 5 plus square root of x minus 5. Okay, so here we can already cancel the delta x on the numerator and denominator. Okay, so we will apply the limit. So 1, so the numerator it's 1, and then you have here square root of x plus 0 minus 5 plus square root of x minus 5. Okay, so simplifying, you have square root of x minus 5 plus square root of x minus 5, or you have here 1 over 2 square root of x minus 5. Now we can already stop here, but if we will try to rationalize the expression, we can still multiply it by the square root of x minus 5 all over square root of x minus 5. So you have the final answer here, square root of x minus 5 all over 2 times quantity x minus 5. So, either way, this can be our final answer.